Hello everyone, this is Akash. Recently, Global NCAP released a list of the safest cars in India. Out of 10 cars, 5 cars are from Tata. Tata has taken the market by storm after their failure in Nano and made a comeback with the Nexon, Taycan and Ultros into the market. So, you may wonder how they sustain the competition from well-established automobile manufacturers like Maruti Suzuki, Mahindra and Toyota. The answer is data science and AI. In 2008, Tata bought Jaguar and Land Rover from Ford. First thing that Ratan did is he used the Jaguar and Land Rover in R&D for manufacturing the electric vehicles in the coming years. This deal gave Tata an extra horsepower to develop a new vehicles for domestic and overseas markets. Expertise from Jaguar and Land Rover has strengthened their foundation for their R&D. In the automotive sector, AI plays a vital role in improving the sales by connecting sales to the marketing data sets. AI deployment can automate the lead management and related activities like analyzing the product which remain high in demand from now and in the future. And Tata Motors uses the infinite analytics AI platform, Sherlock AI, to lower the cost of acquiring a customer, that is CAC. With CAC, the company is looking towards lowering the cost of acquiring a customer who would be purchasing the vehicles in their showroom. In the course of this work, the CAC has reduced 75% and the organization has expanded their showroom network in places of potential high demand. Earlier, each location for network expansion took more than 5 to 6 months. With Sherlock, they were able to reduce it to a few weeks, but they were able to increase their network expansion exponentially. The use of social media greatly complemented their job. The business acquired a fresh viewpoint on customer acquisition that was unmatched in the industry. Their expansion plans, the consequences of which have already begun to manifest, depended heavily on the insights. In 2017, Tata Motors partnered with Microsoft India on a strategic agreement to redefine the connected and personalized driving experience for Indian customers. With this partnership, Microsoft supported Tata Motors by bringing in the AI, ML and Internet of Things capabilities on the global hyperscale Azure cloud. It allowed Tata to create a highly personalized, smart and safer driving experience across the digital life of vehicle owner. This allowed the Tata to provide advanced navigation, predictive maintenance, telematics and remote monitoring features in their vehicles back in 2017. Additionally, Tata Motors introduced Tamo, an open platform designed to promote innovation via a startup environment and create a connected automobile. Tata was able to establish a new standard in the industry because of the use of cloud computing, analytics, geospatial and mapping, and more advanced human-machine interface features. The Microsoft Azure Cloud Computing Platform offers over-the-air updates, remote monitoring of the vehicle features, improved navigation, predictive maintenance, and vehicle-centric services. Vehicle owners may get proactive point of interest, shopping, and route help suggestion based on their profile and location data, allowing them to do more while traveling. Owners will be able to avoid expensive downtime when traveling on pre-planned road trips. Thanks to proactive servicing notification based on vehicle health data, key vehicle settings may be changed remotely over the cloud using industry-leading firmware over the air and software over the air updates protocols. This will support new services that enhance user experience and cloud-based diagnostics that may leverage the insights from a car data to avert the warranty and recall concerns. Vehicle owners will be able to boost safety and maximize vehicle performance by avoiding blockages and difficult terrain by recording, evaluating and acting on actual road conditions. The system may provide car owners with improved routing and location-based services by integrating navigation with data components including maps, weather, traffic and parking. The evolution of car safety has been a constant process, and due to the technology advancement, the bar of safety features offered currently is expected to be raised. According to the Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers, the country has witnessed an increase in 3.37 million passengers cars on road. To address this growing volume of cars on our roads, various ministries, government departments are working on upgrading and strengthening the road and traffic infrastructure in the country to rein in rash driving and the ensuing accidents. In India, road accidents result in more than 1 lakh deaths in 2019, which works out to be nearly 400 fatalities every day. Out of this, a large portions of individuals lost their lives as a result of the lack of fundamental safety elements in their cars. The government, realizing the seriousness of the situation and the necessity of safety features in cars, made a number of safety standards obligatory starting this year, including airbags, speed limit indicators, ABS, speed alert systems, reverse parking sensors, driver and front passenger seat reminders, manual override for central locking systems, compliance with the crash test standards, and others. New standards for pedestrian safety will also be implemented starting in 2020 for all vehicles. Therefore, in the next 10 years, it will be known as the decade for safer automobiles. Along with lower emission, our nation will have far safer automobiles on the roads. Now it's up to all automakers to decide how we want to communicate with government and collaborate toward a shared goal of safe Bharat. A wide range of obstacles arise throughout the construction of a car with a variety of safety features, and solving them requires a thorough grasp of vehicle safety technology at every step. To promote robustness in real-world performance, the safety development also includes inspections at the subsystem and component level. However, achieving the highest level of safety without breaking the bank is difficult, so that the price of the car does not increase much. The majority of the newest safety features are now sourced by Indian OEMs from across the globe, as local vendors still lack the resources to localize the necessary technology. In India, the high-strength grade steel is still unavailable. Despite this, the suppliers are constantly and aggressively trying to close the gap by creating high-quality steel with the most advanced technology. The Tata Nexon received a 5-star rating from the Global New Car Assessment Program in 2018. This accomplishment elevated India's profile internationally and served as a forerunner to Tata Motors' proactive role in developing vehicle safety. The vehicle passed tests for frontal and side collisions, showing the greatest level of adult occupant safety. The Nexon's construction is designed to efficiently handle and absorb the impact energy, while the passenger compartment provides its passengers with a safety cage during a collision. The front structure absorbs the impact energy. Tata's premium hatchback, the Altroz, has now achieved this milestone once again, reiterating our dedication to safety. The automobile mostly recently earned a 5-star rating from a GNCAP. As a result, Altroz becomes the second passenger car in the Indian automotive sector to reach this milestone, and the second vehicle from Tata Motors to do so. The Indian automobile customer is also becoming more and more conscious of the value of the safety in their vehicles, and they are gradually gravitating toward goods that provide them a whole package. These buyers, notably millennials, are searching for vehicles that provide an unearned of balance of security, usefulness, and entertainment. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways stressed last year that the majority of our vehicle safety features would be on par with international standards by 2022. And some of them might even exceed those of the United States, and one of the most, if not the most, developed auto markets in the world. The popularity of electric vehicles, which present their own unique issues due to the presence of high voltage in these vehicles, will only make it more difficult to drive into the future of automotive safety. Due to the huge current flows in EVs, the development of such automobiles will need to fulfill extra standards in addition to the active and passive safety requirements of a conventional vehicle. To prepare for future, Tata Motors is also aggressively doing research and development on fully autonomous vehicle and advanced driver assistance systems. All things considered, the next 10 years or so will be turning point for our sector in terms of crucial and forward-looking factors like safety, emission, connected mobility, and electric cars, to mention a few. Along with Tata, other Indian auto manufacturers like Mahindra and Hero MotoCorp are implementing AI into their vehicles. Using AI calculation based on SAP HANA and SAP predictive maintenance and service, Mahindra and SAP have teamed together to launch an extraordinary initiative that replaced the actual testing of their vehicle. The business was able to work on several aspects of assembly, including quality, support, and manufacturing platforms, thanks to AI and ML models. Hero MotoCorp, on the other hand, is implementing remote support solution at its plants using smart glasses and augmented reality technology, allowing for communication between experts and support division as a professional aid. Artificial intelligence is now starting to get ingrained in all of the organization operations. The bulk of its innovation-driven projects, including industrial IoT, predictive maintenance, RPA, part acknowledgement, and other efforts. By regularly experimenting with emerging technology, Hero MotoCorp has been pushing the limits of innovation. Not only Hero MotoCorp, every automaker across the globe are taking the advantage of this new age technology to provide reliable, safer, and technological advanced vehicle to the customer. With this, I like to end this video. I hope you love the video. Hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe to Learnbay. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.